It is the morning of Saturday, December 19th, and they're predicting a historic snowfall. It's 7 o'clock now, and we're just getting underway, and it's already pretty deep. Poor birdies are already having a pretty tough time. Bobby's down the barn, and we'll take some more pictures later. Really, the poor birdies, I'm concerned. Can't get a good focus on the birdies. Poor cardinals out there, you can see them. We'll get them fed as soon as we can. It's kind of hard to feed them now. I know they're pretty miserable out there. We'll do what we can.